How to delete your AOL account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your AOL mail account. So the first thing you want to do is go to any web browser on your desktop and in the web address bar type in aol.com. Now it'll take you to the official homepage of AOL mail of AOL where you'll have to first of all log into your account. So simply go ahead and do that. Now, once you've logged into your account, in order to delete your account, tap on your name on the top right side of the screen, and now it'll take you to your personal info page. Now, once you're on this page, you'll have to click on the option Help, which is right over here. Now, you'll be redirected to this page where you'll see the search bar saying Search for your question. Now, simply type Delete your account, and now you'll have to click on the option Account Management, cancel or reactivate your AOL account. So, click on it. And now scroll down and then click on how do I cancel my AOL user name and email address. So once you've clicked on that, click on read out close your account help article and then it will redirect you to this page. Now you'll have to scroll down and just under close your account you'll see a link in blue named sign in to the account termination page. So click on it. Now you'll be taken to this page where if you really want to delete your account permanently, all you have to do is simply click on the option continue delete my account, and now you'll have to enter your email address. So simply do that. Now once you've done that, click on yes terminate this account, and there you have it. Your account has been successfully deactivated and has been scheduled for deletion. So that is basically how you delete your AOL account. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.